Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturally Ads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a video I haven't done before, which is a week in my hair. So this is about 6 days of my hair. So as you can see, this is a wash and go. So if you haven't already, go watch my previous video, which was of this wash and go. So this is day one, and obviously this is just me wearing my hair out from the wash and go that I did. So I'm going to show you guys quickly how I sleep. I'm only going to show you this once because it's the same thing every day. But I basically use a satin scarf and put my hair up in a loose pineapple. And I also put a bonnet on it, but I didn't do that here. And I sleep and I take it out and I style it for the next day. So on to day number 2. So day number 2, as you can see, I have my bonnet on. I'm just going to take my hair down and spritz some water on it to like refresh it and kind of fluff it out. And I don't think I did much to it this day, and I put some gel on the side and I was good to go. As you can see, my hair is not dry, which is why there's a lot of residue at the top. So I did say I'll talk about the product in this video. So this product was very flaky. I don't know if you can tell, but there was so many flakes in my hair throughout this week and it took forever to dry. I don't know if it was the combination of products I used or just the product itself, but I do know I did not like how it felt in my hair, and I didn't really like the definition it gave me, but I wanted to just give it a go for the whole week. So my go-to hairstyle with wash and goes is either a middle part or side part, which today was the side part. So this was day number 2.
She's like the baddest girl me I ever seen. Something like a queen. She your number one lover, hot and cold. You be begging her, please, no. If you tell me on, I'll take you on, then I'll put you on, girl. Feel me now, the thing that you want, I got it all, girl. See me falling, fall from my sky, panties are dropping, throwing the top. She's a professional. I think I'm lost in the love life. We came strong together. She got a strong desire. Up to the morning after. Now she's moving on. Oh.
She my gypsy girl. She's something to myself. She be mad in my place. She looking at my eye order. She be moving so quick. You never see her coming. She had me heaven.
So on to day number 3. So my hair was in a pineapple as usual. So my hair is much more stiff now and it's pretty much dry, but the middle bit isn't dry. And this day I did a middle part. So first I used some water to spritz out my hair, and then I'm going to use a blow dryer to kind of stretch my curls and dry the roots to make my hair less flaky, and it just felt really weird, so I wanted to do something to help. Didn't do much, but I thought I would give it a go. So as you can see, I'm changing my hair to the middle part, getting my blow dryer and just pulling my hair and stretching it. It was on low heat, and I was just stretching it from the root, not to mess up the curl pattern, but just to give it some length and also some fluff. So this is what I did, and then at the end I used some bobby pins and clipped the sides of my hair down, and that was the hairstyle for day number 3.
Shorty said he busted my brain like a migraine. Your game, my game, your loss, my pain. Slow down, the way you go down. You know now me they run the whole town. King of the city cause I wear that gold crown. So give it up for bad man, better than Batman. I didn't impress these dogs and kill these cats, man. Rats, man, these other guys are rats, man. When I get on stage, all they do is clap, man. So make you join me in my Bugatti. Join me in my Bugatti. Only you in my Bugatti. Only you in my Bugatti.
See my gypsy girl. She's something to myself. She be mad in my place. She looking at my eye order. She be moving so quick. You never see her coming.
She wants to wonder.
She had me heaven. Now so me say.
She's like the baddest girl me I ever seen. Something like a queen.
So on to day number 4. So day number 4 starts with a pineapple as usual, and here I'm just fluffing up my hair. As you can see, my hair is less stiff than it was before, but that was because I blow dried it, so I'm spritzing it with water. You can still see the flakes from the gel. I was kind of over this hair by now. but I needed to wear it out for the whole week. And I did the same hairstyle that I did the previous day. I just got some bobby pins and pinned the sides of my hair down and kind of fluffed around with my hair, and that was that. The flakes were crazy. Like, this gel is just not a gel that I would use on wash and go. I might try it to slick my hair, but for wash and go it is a no-no. So that was day number 4, I think. I'm losing track.
She be moving so quick, you never see her coming. She had me heaven, now so me say. See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She be minding on my place, she looking at my eye order. She be moving so quick.
This day was number 5, even though I'm putting up 4 because I was just confused. So this day I basically slept and did nothing to my hair, which is what I'm showing you. So then I'm going to move on to day number 6, even though I'm going to show you a 5. My days were mixed up. So on this day, start with a pineapple as usual. So today, this was the last day that I had my wash and go. So I just sprayed my hair with some water and made a nice puff. So I just spritzed the perimeter of my hair with some water, and I used some gummy gel. I think the blue one I used around the front of my hair, because the back I didn't really care. I just wanted the front to look good. So I just used that on my edges, and I brushed my hair up, and then I used a big wire hairband that I stretched out. I don't know if it was safe to do this because it's not supposed to be used this way, but I use it that way. And I put my hair, like, I grab all of my hair in my hand, and then I put that over my hair, and I stretch it all the way down to like the perimeter of my head, and then I roll it back up to make my high puff, and it seems to work for me. But yeah, I don't know if I would suggest you do that, but if you do the puff how you do your puff. And that was that. So I was kind of liking how it looked this day, and I didn't want to wash my hair anymore, but because of all the flakes I was like, no, I can't keep my hair like this. But this was day number 6, and then the next day I washed my hair and styled it in a new style. So this was the week in my hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a very different video for me, but let me know how you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below like how you style your wash and go throughout the weeks and what products you like to use, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
See my gypsy girl, she's something to myself. She be minding on my place, she looking at my eye order. She be moving so